but the obvious benefit, of course, is their portability. You prefer the sturdiness and reusability. So what are their features? 60 pieces. They are made of heavy-duty. Hello everyone, this is RooTrimmer. Pots, flower pots or nursery pots. There are a lot to talk about, but the obvious benefit, of course, is their portability of plant. The ability to adjust the position of your plant as you grow is really useful, especially indoor, under the grow lights, or when some of your plants get sick, they can be easily taken out. If you prefer the sturdiness and reusability, check out RooTrimmer's 4-inch square nursery pots. So what are their features? Let's move on. There are 60 pieces, a great amount that can meet all your nursery needs, and they are made of heavy-duty UV-resistant plastic, and they can be used for indoor and outdoor. They won't get cracked and feed overuse of use, and the capacity of this kind of square nursery pots is about half to 0.7 liters, which is really suitable for growing succulent, cactus, mint, herbs, and so on. As your seedlings and cuttings growing enough, they need to be transplanted into pot grow media like this. And this type of square nursery pots are soft and flexible. When squeezed, they can be bended. That is really important for transplanting. So simply squeeze the pots and take out the roots without damaging their roots. And the mat surface provides a comfortable grip, easier to handle, and move the pots without any slipper. Special designed with the multiple drainage hole like this at the bottom, they can keep your plants healthy while preventing soil spillage and reducing mess. RooTrimmer's 4-inch square nursery pots fits into the standard 20 seed tray perfectly. There are about 15 square nursery pots, and if you use them together, they can keep the pots secure while transporting and maximize the tree space. Space-saving, stackable RooTrimmer's square nursery pots are very easy to store, and they are really friendly to those gardeners who have limited space. Like if you want to start your seed indoor on the back lanes and in a small greenhouse or garden, they can be very good for you because they can stackable like this. And they are very easy to store. Alright, this is today's share. If you are interested in RooTrimmer's products, you can find our Amazon store link on the homepage. Don't forget to subscribe our channels. And if you have any questions about our product, leave your comments. And we will add more information about RooTrimmer's gardening products every week. So stay tuned. See you next time.